Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you're enjoying well my project videos. Today I brought you a project on file security in cloud computing domain. You can see this is the landing page of our project. Let me tell you what are the technologies which we have used in this project. For front-end development, we have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And for backend programming language, we have used here Python. Okay, web framework we have used here the Django framework, which is the topmost framework in Python to develop web applications. And this project also uses a database. We are using here MySQL database. And let me tell you, this code is already I have executed in AWS cloud also. In case if you're interested, you can ping me. So let us see step by step how we are going to execute this project. And here, this project is having altogether around 3 different types of users. Okay, cloud server is there, data owner is there, data user is there. So for better execution purpose, I will open these 3 different users in 3 different tabs. Assume that this one is for cloud server, this tab, and I'll open data owner in another tab here. And for data user, a new tab here, 3 different tabs. So it will be very easy for us for navigation purpose. Otherwise, we have to log out each and every time. Now here, let us go to data owner and try to register a new data owner here. This is the owner registration page. Let us provide the details. Email ID, mobile number, upload profile picture it says. So let us upload a profile picture here. Password. Register. So now enter the code we just sent, okay, on your email. So we have received here a code which we have to provide as an OTP in this particular page. So remember that this project uses email API. So you have to provide the valid email ID at the time of owner registration as well as at the time of user registration. So let me go and check what is the code I have received. So account registration, okay, status. And the OTP is 8278. 8278. 8278. Validate. So now here registration process is completed successfully. Got it? Let's click on OK here. Let's try to log in with the same credentials. But here it says account not accepted. So the cloud server needs to accept the account here as a data owner. Otherwise, the application will not allow the user to log in. So let's go to cloud server here. Cloud server. Let's log in with cloud server. Login successful. This is a simple dashboard which we have created for cloud. Okay. How many documents have been uploaded? How many data owners are registered? How many users are registered? Download request is there. Okay. Document accept request is there. Today's download, total documents, total downloads. Okay. These are the some information which we have displayed in the cloud dashboard. Now let us go to data owner here and try to accept this particular user account. Okay, the status of this account is pending. Let me click on this accept button to accept to authorize this account. Are you sure you want to accept owner? Yes. So now it says accepted. Let's go to owner. Now it should allow us to log in into the application. Now login is success. Now here, data owner will upload the files in the cloud server. Okay, securely. Let's try to upload the file in the cloud server. I'm uploading it. Let's go to desktop. I'm having a text file here. I'll select that and we'll upload this about codebook.in from Funny. Upload. Document uploaded successfully. You can see here. You can have the file name is there, generate or type keywords. What are the keywords which we want? Some keywords. Okay. A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the original file data. Now, this is the original file data. Here we can convert this text, plain text into ciphertext. Here we are using cryptography concept. Hope you are aware of cryptography, where plain text will be converted to some unreadable format text, which is nothing but called as ciphertext. Let me encrypt this, encrypt and submit. File encrypted successfully. So the file has been uploaded successfully. But here in the dashboard, it's not visible because the document is not accepted by the cloud. Let's go to cloud here. Let's go to cloud, view documents. And there is a document here from codebook. Status is pending. I will accept the file. Are you sure you want to accept the document? Yes. Now the file is accepted. You can see. Refresh here. You will notice that the data is visible now. Okay. In case if you want, you can search the file as well with the extension txt. Only one file is there. Now, if any user sends the download request for this particular file owner, now that will come here as a download request. But we don't have any kind of user. We have to register a user. From there, we need to send a request. Then only it will come here. Next, top K downloads. How many times a file has been downloaded? Data owner can check here. Okay, top K downloads. Nothing is there right now. Profile is there for the data owner. This is the profile. Now let's go to data user and try to register a new data user here. Mobile number, profile photo, password, register. Invalid mobile number. Okay. Validations is performed very well in this project. Register. And now the registration will be done. And you can see a mail has been sent to this email ID. Let's provide the OTP here. I'll check in my email account whether I have received the OTP or not. Yes, I have received the OTP and it is 9321. What if I provide wrong? Okay, it's not accepting. So 9321 is the correct one. Validate. And you can see the registration of this user is successfully completed. Let's try to log in with these credentials, what we have provided. Successful login, search documents. Okay, we can search here document files, .txt files. Okay, and there's a file here which has been uploaded very recently. Let's send a download request to this file owner. And are you sure you want to request download? Yes, I want to request download. And the request has been sent. Let's try to submit a request one more time. Are you sure you want to request download? Yes. already requested, you cannot download from your responses. So you can download from your responses. So in the responses, if you see, there is no response here because the data owner has not been accepted. So let's go to data owner and go to download request. Here we should find a request from this user puzzle, and whether we have to accept or reject this request, it's up to this data owner. Status is requested. Now let me click on this accept this request button. I want to accept this, and you can see the security key is generated. Okay, for a while, let's copy this. Okay, request underscore accepted. Let's go to data user and refresh this page, responses page. You will see here the okay request is coming. Now there is a secret key coming directly over here because the data owner directly has sent us. It has accepted the request. Now there is a button here, decrypt, because we know it very well. This file is in encrypted state in the server. We can decrypt by clicking on this decrypt button. Are you sure you want to decrypt the document? Yes. Now the document is decrypted. I can download this. Okay. Now if I go to downloads and if I open this, you will notice the decrypted file here. In my downloads, if I go now in downloads, you can see there is a file which I have downloaded. Okay, so this is the data user part. There is a data owner here. Top K downloads, if we go, we will see here a progress because only one download is there. It's not displaying any data here. But if we have some huge download, it will display how many times the file has been downloaded. We go here, view in the cloud server and the view documents we have seen, view downloads. Puzzle has downloaded this file, okay, which is of this size. This file has been downloaded by this user. Let's go to downloads. View documents. Let's go to downloads, and here you can see puzzle. This user has downloaded this file. So this was the simple project where we are using cloud concept and we are using some cryptography technique in order to provide data security in the cloud. And here we are using local database. Okay, right now we are using MySQL database, RDBMS, but we can integrate this with the real-time database, real-time cloud like AWS or Microsoft Azure. Okay, with this I hope that you have understood the project concept. Still, if you have any doubts, you can get back to me. You can ping me on my WhatsApp number given in this video. And let me conclude this video right now. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.